Hello, precious family. I welcome you all back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. I just share mommy mo bibiara aquaba. We are able and in the near bed and popsicles. I'm a frano now. I enjoy kakra. Yeah, we open you so bet me I enjoy it. Because containers number be using a very flat, you know. You need to liquid that. Bet me a good film. Tell me the share freeze them for. To make it a little bit slushy or firm. Yeah. Into my blended fruits no. Yeah, mango, watermelon, pineapple, and kiwi. Until you best start seeing. Okay. I mean, if I green, go and you that all the green bits. So I'm using the pineapple for the pineapple. Okay, full. So now you put your rubber stick. You see the reason why I put it in the freezer to make it a little bit like slushy, because it starts watery. Watermelon, Susuni. Come on. Why not cabino? Why, look. Okay. See, mommy, rest. So come on. When you be man kala indi. We kala no muhuni se umbedi. Oh, pineapple, come on. That's why. I present to you our popsicles. Smiling face, everything. Thanks for watching Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. God bless you. Love you all.